I'm actually quite pleased with this. It's the first half of the 680 Pro top. Need to just sort that out. There was no support under this part, so this bit's not so good. But I quite like that, to be fair. It looks pretty cool. Difficult for me to get the angle shots here. That just makes a bit of a difference. It's 2mm thick. It's gonna give a little bit of support. Weight really loose, really light. And if I can just get the get that on there. I don't know if I can get this to work right. About 35, so it's going to be about 70 grams in total. I think you could probably get that a bit lighter actually by making it only 1.5mm thick. It's quite sturdy, and in all fairness, it doesn't need to be so sturdy. It's only to alter airflow over the parts, so I'm quite pleased with that. Oh, sorry, yeah, I need to make these holes bigger, I think. They only just fit through the supports, only just fit through. They need to be bigger so they can take in a little grommet. So, let me know what you think, you guys.